Hi, Brian Hay here again with Performance Physical Therapy. Today we're going to talk about one of the most overlooked aspects of knee pain. And a lot of times when we have knee pain, particularly in runners or people that do a lot of jumping activities, it's due to weakness in the hip, which we've talked about before in different videos, but also due to a restriction of the muscles and a tightness in here. So we develop a weakness on the outside and a tightness on the inside. So we're going to get this a little bit stronger, but then we also going to get this inside musculature a little bit more mobile. So some simple ways to do that. You can use your trusty foam roller here. And just get yourself into a position here. Put the top leg on top. You're just going to lift yourself up and just kind of working back and forth on that musculature. Basically working around the really tender spots. If it's a fairly acute injury or it's really sore recently, avoid foam rolling over that spot. It's just kind of poking the beehive. If it's more of kind of a chronic issue or just a maintenance issue, you can even get a little more specific, get some type of medicine ball, or a lot of times you'll see lacrosse balls or trigger point balls. You get kind of right over that area and then just work it back in a little bit smaller motion and just kind of work out any of that like bunkiness or stickiness that you find within the muscle. Once we've done that, we've kind of got the muscle a little bit more mobile. One last thing that we can do that I really like to do for runners, in particular just because it works to open up the hips, is here I'm going to use a bench, but you can do it at home just by a wall or so. You're going to get nice and close. You're going to swing your legs up. You're going to get your feet flat up against that wall, and you're just going to apply a little bit of pressure outwards this way, so it opens up the hips, brings the hip into a flexed position here, but then it also allows these adductors, that inside musculature, to stretch. Hang out for about a minute or so. When you get up, you'll actually notice that the hips are feeling a little bit looser. So simple ways to correct those muscle imbalances we often develop in the hips. Thanks and good luck.